Hello and welcome. Today is Thursday, the 10th day of November 2016. Welcome to the Silver Charts channel. My name is Derek, and today's video I'm going to go over the daily chart in silver for both the US and the Canadian currencies. As well, take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, as yesterday's session on the futures seen multi-month lows and hours later, new all-time highs. Okay, so what do we see with the silver chart? And a lot of confusion and a lot of confusion, to say the least. Yesterday's session during the election brought a clear break above 1875 up to 19. These levels are from investing.com. That's where I get them from. And today's session up to 1899. So we'll say a matching high over a quarter over the previous level. And each time going up to this point, fall really fast, deep. That's not cool, or that's just very tough to get any bullish sentiment, because if it comes up to here, it's fine to go down a bit. But what's a bit? Well, here. That's where Fibonacci is. That's where previous resistance is. So maybe around 1860, 1850, 1870, but not 1830. 1840, which is where it has been retracing back down to. So you get those scary messages, but with this rising 18 average as it is, and it's going to need to go up to keep its rate of ascent, you got both bullish and bearish sentiments at the same time. I know yesterday I stated about, say, if you were to buy down here, looking to sell here at profit or sell here at a loss, that you would probably be doing okay. And I can state if I did that, which I didn't, and I'm watching the market go up close to 19 today, okay, I'm right, I'd be thinking, but as it's retracing lower, I'd probably get a little more cautious and think, okay, maybe I should get out and probably sell at like a 1% gain. That would probably be how I would do it, because mixed messages, tough to determine how it's going to play out from this point. Now on the Canadian chart, there's a few differences, and the first one is the lows. You can see this low is within this one. This one was much higher, and obviously it's been rallying a little bit better over the last few weeks. It's actually up to its second Fibonacci point, holding above here. So a few differences, to say the least, but I guess you can take from this chart a break above here up towards this next level. A lot of the last few years have been currency manipulation, and I see it going on right now, continuing further. We'll see how this continues to play out now that we have a new president coming into play. As far as the Dow Jones is concerned, let's take a look at how the Dow closed on Wednesday. I got an asterisk on here because I manually inserted a low of 17,500. Because if you were to download data, it only gives you what happened from 9:30 a.m. to 4 o'clock, and the markets keep trading all the time, and this is when the low occurred, was around midnight of this session. So I'm just going to put it in manually. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just paste on the bottom what the actual futures chart would look like. And let's do that now. There we go. So we can see on here that the Dow technically yesterday didn't make an all-time high, although close. Yet here, it easily made an all-time high. And you can see the multi-low months that it made on within the chart as well. And I've searched previous times when it made a new, and I put 10-day low and all-time high, and I can only find one going back to 1993. And the data levels that I look at, it doesn't look real. This is like a first time it's ever done something like this. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. It's like stating like wild things are going to happen. The volume that occurred on this session was just massive, to say the least. So we'll see how this goes into the rest of the year, but it's probably going to be a prelude to some sort of event. And maybe not, because it seems as if the tens decade is all about the, let's do the flash crash where we're going to bring the market way down and then way up, or we're going to bring it way up and way down again. That's just what we're going to do. They seem to do that a lot lately over the last 5 or so years. So thank you for watching and have yourself a great day.